Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you see error on your iPhone, sorry, there was a problem with your request. So when you just use your Instagram, so how you can fix it? So mostly it happened because you just need to close your app and open it again. So just try like this. And another way you can try, just go to the settings, and in the settings you just need to if you're using Wi-Fi, just turn off Wi-Fi and turn on again. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, and also you just can try to turn off mobile data and turn on again. And after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also try another way. So just try to update your Instagram. Just go to App Store. Just go to search tab. In search tab, just write Instagram. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and use the latest updates for your Instagram app. So this is a way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.